Hey gang, it's Mark from Coldwell Banker in Severna Park, Maryland. Once again, just kind of giving you guys what's happening out there on the streets of real estate. I am an investor in real estate. I am an investor in the stock market. And I want to tell you that the stock market is now betting that we expect to have a 3/4 point rate hike in the prime rate by the Fed on September 2nd or whatever date that will be. That means they're still trying to handle inflation. Inflation's still out of control in their opinion. The only way they can really think that they're going to, wrestle it in is to keep raising the Fed rate, which is not directly involved in raising the mortgage rate. However, it does have an indirect response. So we expect mortgage rates to continue to increase, especially going into September. Right now, today it's 7.12. You can see since the since this year, way down here, we're down in the low threes. Now we're all the way up here to today, 7.1. So the rates are going up, double what they were at the beginning of the year. However, we still expect home prices to appreciate on an average of, what does that say, 1.8% going into 2023. So no trash, no crash. Don't listen to the media. Don't listen to the news. There is no crash. We do expect houses to continue to appreciate, although at a much lower pace. The other thing I want to tell you guys is rents. Look at rents. Rents since 1988 are exponentially greater than they were, or are now than they were. So if you want to build equity and you want to become an equity owner and not a renter, renters are fine, renters are great, but you're not building any equity. It's stated by the experts that there's somewhere about $300,000 of equity in everybody that owns a home. And there's all kinds of statistics to prove owning a home is way better for you financially in the long haul than renting. So go to my website, markgriffo.com, or email me at markgriffo@gmail.com. And let's get some questions answered that you may have. It's still not a bad time to buy a house. It looks bad, but let's move on and let's build some equity. 410-370-4957.